All right, so how to defrost tomatoes, okay? Defrosting tomatoes is easy. Here's how you do it. If you're using frozen tomatoes for cooking, like in soups or sauces, you can add them directly to the dish without thawing. The heat will defrost them as they cook. If you need to defrost them before using, just take the tomatoes out of the freezer, okay, and put them in the fridge, okay? Let them thaw for several hours overnight, okay? For several hours or overnight. If you're in a hurry, you could also place the frozen tomatoes in a bowl of cold water. This method will thaw them in about an hour, okay? So once thawed, the tomatoes will be soft and perfect for cooking, okay? So you can peel the skin off easily. They won't if they weren't peeled before freezing, okay? Now you're ready to use them in your recipes. Make a good sauce with that. And by the way, basil and garlic, those are the two keys to a good sauce.